Is tube mastery worth your time and money? The truth is that it has gained quite a reputation, and you need to know what you're getting into. Matt Parr claims he offers a step-by-step approach to building a successful YouTube channel, targeting the audience effectively, and monetizing content quickly. It sounds appealing, right? But what's the catch? Well, the content is primarily centered on understanding the YouTube algorithm, which can be beneficial. However, there's a fine line between learning and simply following a formula. You could end up feeling boxed in, following a path that limits creativity. Success on YouTube often stems from unique and original content. The training covers various aspects like niche selection and video creation. While these elements are crucial, they're not the holy grail. You still need persistence and a willingness to adapt. Some users report that the community support is a mixed bag, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for encouragement. In terms of cost, consider whether the potential returns justify the investment. If you're serious about diving into YouTube, this program might give you a push, but just remember to keep your expectations realistic. Quick success stories often gloss over the hard work involved. Ultimately, tube mastery can be a useful tool, but it's not a guaranteed ticket to fame and fortune. Stay focused on your goals and make sure to balance any advice you receive with your own creativity and strategy.